Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chima Marta Spiritual Tips. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. I really appreciate you for being here. And if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face or coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. I welcome you with an open heart. My name is Brother Chima Marta, and I am a spiritualist. On this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual information using the power of God, the power of the universe, and the power of the earth. And as you can see on this channel, we have done a lot of videos in the past that can help you to solve your spiritual problem. So do me a favor by checking on our old videos. And if you are just joining us for the very first time, you need to become a member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up on my videos, that is the like, and comment on the comment section. If there's anything you don't understand that I said on here, feel free to contact me on the number on the screen that you are watching. I am open to communication. Do me a favor by sharing my channel to your friends, your well-wishers, your families. You don't know, you might be a soul saver to someone out there that is having a spiritual battle or problem. Today, I have come with another power part information on what you should do in order to obtain favor, mercy everywhere you go. And this particular recipe is to be done early in the morning before you go out to your appointment. Most of us who live in abroad, who are Africans, that has been going to the consulate to look for papers that will permit them to come back for Xmas, and they are not giving you a listening ear. After watching me on here on this video and listening to my instruction, perform these spiritual tips the way I will instruct you. Go back to the consulate and you will see the universe is going to make a way for you, for them to give you a listening ear. You that are watching me on here, anywhere you go, disappointment all over around you. When people promise you on that date you are going for the promise, if you reach there, they will not give you a listening ear. What about you that have been believing for one contract? You have been chasing one contract for a while now. And each time you went to the office, they will tell you that the person that is in charge, that are supposed to sign the documents for you, is not around. You are being disappointed. Even on that person looking for employment, your application has been received and they have been giving you different dates for interview. But when you go there, you will only be disappointed. This particular tips or message is for you. Make sure you watch this video to an end, and you will see what you will do early in the morning before going out to your endeavors. If you want to receive prosperity, if you want the universe to favor you, if you want the earth to favor you, if you want your fellow human being to favor you, doing this will make even the spirit that you jam on the way, they will favor you without knowing it. And what are we going to use on this particular recipe? We are going to be using cooking oil. Yes, red oil. Red oil or cooking oil, because in some countries you cannot get red oil. If you can't get red oil in your country, you that are watching me here, you can use cooking oil. We know red oil in some part of the world, they use red oil for rituals. Like the place I come from, in Yoruba land, they use red oil in pleasing one of their gods called Ayelala spirit. They use red oil and salt. And on this particular recipe, another item we'll be needing is salt. As we all know that salt is made up of sodium chloride, and it is used for body cleaning and spiritually and physically cleansing against any negativities. So we are going to be using the combination of salt and oil. And the last but not the least item that we are going to use for this recipe is your alligator pepper. This is the spirit, the external body that you are going to invite on this recipe to join you and go out, so that when the people you are going to meet sees you, they will favor you, they will love you, they will give you what that belongs to you. That is the 3 items that we are going to use. But before I go on into the practical to tell you how you are going to use this early in the morning before going out for your appointment to acquire favor, prosperity, for the universe to favor you, I would like to introduce myself for those of you who are just coming on for the very first time. Once again, my name is Brother Chima Marta, and I am the bona fide founder of Chima Marta Spiritual Tips. You are highly welcome. Please, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all, so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be notified. Give me a thumbs up on my video and comment on the comment section. Feel free to contact me if there's anything you need me to do. As God may have it, I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, we have our spiritual materials for sale that is fully charged by God through me. And a lot of people has been buying it, and they have been testifying what God has been doing through my spiritual materials. Yes, we have our curse breaking soap, road opening soap, back to sender soap. We have the favor soap, crowd pulling soap, love and affectionate soap. We also have the oil versions of these materials. The Equable Plus Detox and Witchcraft Dissolver is also in stock in our shop. And we also have the Iginla powdered, the alligator pepper for sale, the original honey, and the pancane oil. And we are also available in helping you to solve your spiritual problems. If you have practiced any spiritual tips on other YouTubers and nothing has happened yet, you know that you need to contact me on the number on your screen. Thank you so much for being here. Watch the video to the end. Now, going back to our topic on what you should do early morning in order to get favor every day by day, anywhere you go, for the universe to favor you. Early in the morning, my brothers and sisters who are watching me on here, you bring your salt. As salt attests to our means, so will salt attest to my life today. Wherever I go, favor will follow me. In that office that I am looking for appointment or employment, that manager will give me a listening ear today. In that embassy that I am looking for my paper, the High Commissioner will give me a listening ear today. I call the God of heaven, the whole universe, to backing up my words. You have to say what you need with your own mouth, because he said, I will do what I hear you say. So say what you need. Ask that you shall be given. Knock that the door shall open. Seek that you shall find. Yes, for whoever that asks shall receive it. You have to meditate and do your incantation. You know what your aim is, what you want to get. Say it to the salt and to the universe. Now, you bring your oil into your palm on top of the salt. As you can see, you mix it together. Salt and oil are brothers and sisters. As I mix this oil together, let favor begin to follow me. Let people begin to favor me. Let prosperities, let my way be sanctioned and pure. You also make your prayers. Then, you bring your alligator pepper. Alligator pepper. 1 piece of alligator pepper. Put it in the middle and say whatever you want to eat. After that, lick it. Then, the remaining one on your hand, my head, you will carry me to a better place. Even though you are a woman, rub it on that your weavon. You are good to go. Go to that appointment. You are free to go to that appointment. And I bet you, if you can do this every morning before going to an appointment or before going anywhere, favor is going to be following you. You are going to have breakthrough. Those who have rejected you will accept you by force. I am not exaggerating. I am sure of these spiritual tips. Power no be powder. The spiritual control the physical realm. The anointing you doesn't respect will only destroy you. So I have come to the end of this video for today. If you have never subscribed to this channel yet, do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below the video. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. And don't forget to like my videos, share my video. Just click that button of share and God will bless you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Have a very blessed day and God bless each and every one of you.